In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the A-pillar grab handle on this Ford F-350. Let's get started. On the handle itself, you'll notice that it has two little caps. With a little pocket screwdriver or a pick, you can pop these open. Underneath them, all the way in there, you'll find a 7mm bolt that you have to remove. There's one. There will be another one down below. With both of those out, the A-pillar grab handle should come right out. There it is. Take the new one and line up this little tab down there by the dash so it can actually slide in and lock in. And you're going to have to hold it here. That way you can actually get the two mounting bolts started. Snug them up and cap this off. If you're doing this by hand, just make sure it squishes in a little bit. There's foam insulation on the back of it, and if that doesn't squish, this is going to move around and could even rattle. So at this point, this is installed. Do the same to the other side if you need to do so.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.